Unit 4, Exercise 2B. Listen again to the dialogue and choose the correct answer for each question. You hear a podcast interview with a woman called Donna, who has a business selling works of art.
Hello, Donna, and welcome to our program. It's a pleasure to have you here.
Hi, Kevin. The pleasure's all mine. Thank you for inviting me.
Now, Donna, would you like to tell us how you started your company? How did you come up with this idea? It's so clever.
Well, it was a happy accident, really. I had no plan to start a business. I was invited to a very good friend's wedding, and I was looking for the ideal present. None of the presents I saw was special enough for her, so I decided to paint her a picture. Lots of people liked it and asked me to make one for them too, so little by little I started selling my art.
Wow! And how did you end up with such a successful business?
Well, Kevin, although a lot of people would say it's clever marketing, I think it's mostly because I filled a real gap in the market.
I guess you're right. Your art is truly beautiful, but not too expensive for most people to buy.
Thank you. That's what my partners and I have been trying to do. Art for everybody. I'm not really a good business person, but my husband was full of brilliant ideas, so he helped me set up the company. Then we decided to ask a few more artists and painters to join us. After that, the business really took off. I think we became some kind of trend or fashion, really.
But hey, I do hope it's a trend that's here to stay. I just love the art on your website, Donna. Now, tell our listeners, how did you manage to get so many popular artists to work for your company? I'm sure it wasn't easy.
Oh, Kevin, you have no idea. Well, my artist friends just loved the project, but other artists I didn't know personally were a bit careful at first. Not that I blame them, of course, but slowly more and more artists decided to trust our company and the website, and here we are now.
Well, thank you, Donna, for coming in to share some of your experiences with our listeners. Good luck.